Hey parents, let's talk about something super important for our little ones, their dental health. If you're on the hunt for the perfect toothpaste for your baby or toddler, let me introduce you to Mousse Gear Baby Toothpaste. This amazing toothpaste is especially designed for babies and young children aged 6 months and up. That's right, no more worrying about what's safe for those tiny feet. Mousse Gear is fluoride-free, which is a big deal because we all know that little ones can be a bit enthusiastic when it comes to brushing. What I absolutely love about Mousse Gear is that it's made with food-grade ingredients. Yep, you heard that right. It's safe to swallow, so you can feel confident knowing that your little explorer can brush without any worries. Plus, it comes in a delicious strawberry flavors that your kids will actually look forward to using. We all want to promote healthy gums and clean teeth for our kiddos, and Mousse Gear makes it fun and easy. Just imagine the smiles when they get brush their teeth with a toothpaste that tastes like a treat. It's a win-win for both parents and kids. So if you're ready to make brushing time for a little more enjoyable and a lot safer, give Mousse Gear Baby Toothpaste a try. Your little ones will thank you with their brightest smiles. Happy brushing, everyone!